Headwear manufacturing requires an extraordinary variety of materials, each engineered for specific cap categories.
Cotton twill provides the combination of structure, printability, and comfort that has made it the standard fabric for classic baseball caps.
The visor insert determines the brim curve and rigidity that defines the cap's overall silhouette.
The facility maintains materials for producing every hat category, from fitted baseball to snapback to trucker to bucket to beanie. The Sweatband is the primary comfort interface between head and hat. Decoration ranges from direct embroidery to printed patches to woven labels to screen printing. Size grading ensures consistent fit across the full head circumference range.
The cutting department stamps out thousands of identical panel pieces that will be assembled into the three-dimensional cap crown.
Each panel is a precisely calculated curve that, when joined to 5 others, creates the perfectly round dome of the cap crown. All components staged for assembly. Buckram Fusion creates the flat front surface that holds embroidered logos and screen-printed graphics perfectly flat. Trucker caps combine structured front panels with breathable mesh rear panels. Multiple hat styles produced from different component combinations. Felt hat production requires dense wool or fur felt material.
Bucket hats have seen a dramatic fashion revival.
Cap assembly is a multi-step sequential process where each operator performs one specialized sewing operation. Each seam must be sewn with precise seam allowance to achieve the correct crown circumference. Seam taping conceals raw seam edges that would otherwise irritate the scalp. Visor alignment must be perfectly centered and symmetrical, a skill that defines quality cap construction. The Sweatband defines the wearing comfort and fit. Post-sewing inspection verifies every dimensional and aesthetic specification. Bucket hat brim construction creates the characteristic soft, floppy shape. Raw assembled caps ready for their brand identity.
Embroidery is the premium decoration method for headwear, providing dimensional texture and durability that printing cannot match.
Digitizing translates two-dimensional artwork into the precise stitch commands that build three-dimensional embroidered designs. 3D puff embroidery uses foam beneath the stitches to create a raised dimensional effect that adds premium visual impact. Screen printing enables photographic quality graphics with unlimited color complexity.
Heat transfer provides sharp detail for complex multicolor designs.
Steaming sets the final three-dimensional shape and removes any wrinkles from the sewing and embroidery process. Visor curve ranges from flat brim for urban style to deeply curved for classic baseball. Packaging transforms individual caps into retail-ready products. Retail pricing and information tags. International distribution. Direct-to-consumer orders.
Continuous distribution. Team orders require exact color and logo specification. Event and promotional caps.
Billions of caps departing for global retail and teams.
Lab verifies every aspect, from size to washability.
Caps must survive consumer washing.
UPF-rated caps provide measurable sun protection. Dimensional accuracy ensures consistent size labeling. Design keeps the product fresh and on trend. Every headwear style from a single facility. When darkness falls, the sewing machines and embroidery heads maintain their relentless production. Site operators maintain identical assembly precision. thousands of team identities created through darkness.
Inside these machines, thread becomes team identity. Production cleanliness maintained.
An endless stream of headwear identity. The complete transformation from flat fabric to three-dimensional headwear.
Precision logistics. One cap, born from fabric, thread, and team pride.
This facility produces the headwear that defines team identity and personal style worldwide. The factory's purpose, the cap that becomes a symbol of team loyalty and personal identity.
Team caps create visual unity and instant recognition among thousands of fans.
The adjustable closure allows one-size-fits-most versatility. The factory transforms flat fabric into three-dimensional expressions of identity. From above, a facility producing headwear for every team and brand.
Fresh team logos on fresh caps.
Every station sewing, every head embroidering, every press steaming.
Layout. The baseball cap is one of the first fashion items children personalize.
Every style for every occasion and personality. The complete journey from raw fabric to finished headwear. Felt hat shaping on wooden blocks represents centuries of traditional hat-making skill. Military headwear requires exact specification compliance.
The chef's toque traditionally has 100 pleats, symbolizing 100 ways to cook an egg.
Safety cap liners fit under hard hats for comfort and sweat absorption. Performance running caps combine sun protection with maximum breathability.
Fitted caps require exact sizing to provide comfortable all-day wear without adjustment.
Corporate promotional caps represent one of the largest headwear markets.
High fashion has embraced the baseball cap, as a luxury accessory.
Licensed team caps represent one of sports merchandising's most valuable product categories.
Golf visors provide brim sun protection while allowing heat release from the open crown.
Winter beanies provide essential thermal protection in cold weather.
Vintage washing creates the instant lived-in character of a well-loved cap.
Sustainable manufacturing practices. Workers arriving to produce headwear for every team and brand.
Custom hand-painted caps serve the urban art market. The flat brim with original sticker has become an iconic urban fashion choice.
Formal quality approval.
The eternal production of identity headwear. Uniformity across thousands represents manufacturing precision. Caps become symbols of victory and shared emotional experience.
The archive preserves the evolution of headwear design.
Team caps pass between generations, carrying loyalty and memory. Hundreds of skilled operators creating headwear identity.
The eternal shaping of fabric into form.
$100,000 caps, every logo verified. Sunset on a factory of identity and belonging. One cap, fabric, thread, and a team's identity. The most universally worn fashion accessory in the world.
The hat, fabric, structure, and embroidered identity. Behind it, a magnificent industrial operation ensuring that every team